Namaste dosto. Imagine this. It's a peak dinner time. Everyone ordering from the Zomato or Swiggy. Suddenly the main kitchen for Biryani Express in your area has a power cut. Chaos, right? But wait, your order still arrives. How? Because they likely have multiple kitchens spread out across the various areas. Well, guess what? The cloud works in a very similar way to keep your favorite app and website running smoothly, even when things go wrong. That's where AWS Region and Availability Zones came in. Today we are demystifying this fundamental AWS concept, Region and Availability Zones. Understanding these is crucial for building resilient, fault-tolerant, and high-performance application on AWS. Stick around and I promise you will get it. AWS Region and Availability Zones explained. AWS Global Infrastructure plan across the globe build reliability and speed. Two key components, Region and Availability Zone in a global infrastructure, right? So AWS has multiple data centers all over the world. Think of this as a massive server farm, but they don't just scatter randomly, they group them logically. So what is AWS region? A physical geographical location in the world, Mumbai, Singapore, North Virginia. Each region is fully isolated from another region, so they are independent. Example, AP South 1 in the Mumbai region is fully independent from the Singapore region. They choose specific region for the proximity of the user, like low latency, data sovereignty, and cost. Think of AWS region like a major Indian city, say Mumbai, AP South 1, Mumbai. If you have most of customers in India, you likely choose the Mumbai region, right? Why? So your customer get low latency, faster access to your application, just like faster to get food delivered from the nearest restaurant as compared to long range restaurant. And just like Mumbai is independent of Delhi or Bangalore in terms of its local infrastructure, right? AWS region are all isolated. An earthquake in Tokyo won't affect the Mumbai region. Now what is availability zones? Short form is AZs. One or more discrete data center within a region. Each AZ has independent power, cooling and networking. AZ in a region are connected via low latency, high bandwidth links. For example, AP South 1A, AP South 1B and AP South 1C in Mumbai. Mumbai has three regions, AP South 1A, 1B and 1C. Okay. Now within our Mumbai regional city, AWS doesn't put all eggs in one basket. They build a multiple availability zone. Think of AZs like a different well-spread localities industrial tech park. Within a Mumbai, say one in Powai, one in Thane and one in Navi Mumbai. So that's are these 1A, 1B and 1C. Like these are the independent data location within a Mumbai region. They are close enough for fast communication, but so enough apart to be safe from shared disaster. Right? A disaster happen in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, like they are not impacted when something happen in Navi Mumbai or in Thane or in Powai, right? They are so well connected at the time, so well separated. Why use multiple AZs? We are explaining with the example Zomato and Swiggy analogy, right? High availability. If one AZ is like one kitchen fails, another takes score, fault tolerance, application can withstand failure in one AZs. Disaster recovery, foundation and robust disaster recovery. Ensure your application food delivery service stay online even what will happen. So why this complexity? Simple, resilient. Back to our Zomato and Swiggy example. If Biryani Express kitchen has server AZ like A, B and C. C in Mumbai, A in Powai. A Powai has a huge outrage, power outrage. Your food can still be fulfilled by the kitchen of AZB like Thane or AZC like in Navi Mumbai. Because Powai kitchen has power outrage, right? So these two are take over, A, B and C. If A has failed, B and C will take over. Your food must be delivered. The Zomato app itself designed well automatically reroute your request. If A fails, they reroute your request to the B and C. Your app stays online. This is called high availability and fault tolerance. This is your Terraform. The link is in the description. If you need it, just go and get it from there. So this is called AWS, right? This is a region, right? This region is AP South 1. This is called Mumbai. So if you want to do something on AWS, first we need to roll out VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, right? Let's say this is our VPC. And now we need to define into a multiple subnets, right? Our app in the multiple subnets. So what we are dividing, this VPC we are dividing into two parts. This is one part is called as subnet 1 in technical language and another part is called as subnet 2. This is in AZ1 and this is in AZ2. In our language is 1A and this is 1B. this is two availability zones, right? AZ1 and AZ2 in short. So for one app will be here, like not app, one kitchen will be here and one kitchen will be here. This is Powai and this is Navi Mumbai. If this app fails, this will take over automatically, and if this app will fail, this will take automatically. This is called as fault tolerance, right? This kitchen now we are going to call as compute or EC2. Just name is EC2, right? This is EC2 in availability zone 1 and this is EC2 present in availability zone 2. So the same we are here. And what is EC2? It's a computing power. Just like you are running a website on your local computer, we are going to run our website on EC2. So everyone can access it. Why we are hosting on EC2? Because it's a compute and it's provide low latency, high availability. High availability means it's not going to shut down randomly. It's not going to face power cut. It is not going to face internet shutdown, right? So that's why we are deploying our website on EC2 in region AZ1 and AZ2. Let's say your AZ1 is down, right? This EC2 is down. Then it's automatically take over to this EC2 in region 2. That's why your website is not going to down, right? You are not going to face any downtime. As soon as this is down, it will face here, and right. So yeah, that's all about it. Here is the AWS subnet, availability subnet AZ2. This is AZ1. I'm going to explain this whole block in network foundation section. Today is just availability zones and region. That's why I'm explaining this way. This is subnet in AZ2. You can see here, and this is 1A and this is 1B, right? And this is our instance. So one instance will be placed in subnet 1. You can see subnet ID AZ1, right? This is the AZ1 subnet. So this EC2 is in AZ1, right? And another one will be in AZ2. You can see this is in AZ2. This EC2 will be in AZ2 here, right? So yeah, these are the information needed for your EC2 to roll out. And yeah, that's all about it. I'm just going to apply it now. We need to go inside 002 folder first. Now I'm going to apply this Terraform file, right? So first I'm going to show you. We don't have the VPC network here with a name. With which name, bro? With the name of DC, Pratik VPC demo, right? You can see we only had one. Now I'm going to apply, we'll see that. And we don't have instance as well. If you go to EC2, we don't have anything, right? So I'm going to apply it now. Terraform. You can see Pratik VPC demo. You can see it, right? And this is our resource map. What is doing? If this one goes down, this one will handle. If this one goes down, this one will handle, right? That's what I am explaining. AZ1 and AZ2, right? And 5 resources added. So let's go and see the EC2. You can see here is one application of Zomato. Here is second application of Zomato. The same copy is here and here as well, right? If this one goes down, this will handle. And if this one goes down, 1A will be handled, right? And these two will be handled using ALB called application load balancer. To sum it up, regions are larger, isolated geographical areas like our major cities. You pick one based on where your users are. Availability zones are like multiple independent, isolated, disaster-proof localities within the same city, like Mumbai, connected by super fast link. Using multiple availability zones is a key to building robust application that can survive failures, just like Zomato or Swiggy, example with multiple kitchens. I hope that clears up region and availability zones. If this was helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to pratiksontakketech for more AWS tutorials. If you have any question, drop in the comment below. I read them all. Thanks for watching and bye bye.